Let's talk a little bit about the organizational structure of the Literacy Council. Our board of directors is made up of experienced professionals from various fields, all of whom are passionate about adult literacy. Our executive director, Patty Donnelly, has been with the council for over 7 years. Alongside a senior director of operations and senior director of development, Patty oversees a small office staff of around 15 people. The council also participates in the Corporation for National Service program, relying on AmeriCorps members to serve as instructors at the various class sites around Northern Virginia. A primary role of Literacy Council staff members is to support the many volunteers who directly serve the adult learners. As Director of Volunteers, I'm in charge of recruiting, screening, and placing volunteers, as well as overseeing all volunteer management activities at the council. While I'll often be a point of contact for you, our staff as a whole is here to provide a network of support for all of the invaluable volunteer work that takes place at the Literacy Council.